Hey friends! Yeah, don't look at my hair. I just got out of bed. This is the Mrs. Volfie from our half-acre homestead with dog issues. This is our IKEA couch. Now, it would have a kind of a skirt all across the bottom, and it is designed to have that section pull out as a trundle bed. But when we bought it, it didn't have the trundle bed. But what it does have is these beautiful cushions made out of nice slate gray canvas. The problem is, see that little pile of feathers all over the floor and all over the back of the couch? Papa took the cushion covers off so we could wash them, covered the couch with blankets, but while Papa was on the computer and I was in bed, the dogs had fun with my couch. And guess what they did? These cushions right here have a pad on them. And the pad is filled with feathers, as you can see. And my dogs popped the whole top of this cushion this morning and had a grand old time. Now, see, feathers are still coming out. So what I have done, okay, so I've taken a half a pillowcase and I've just pinned like a cap over top of the whole thing, and I'm going to have to sew it directly to the cushion. This is one cushion. See, these covers come off, folks. There's a zipper here so that you can wash them with the feathers intact. This will never be for this cover. Okay? The moment the cover goes in the washer, all the feathers will fill up inside here. So, unfortunately, this one will just have to be hosed off and set out in the sun to dry when we need to clean it. First things first. I'm not getting fancy. I've just pinned this on here. Feathers are a real pain in the ass, and I'm really glad we got rid of them growing up. An eider-down blanket. So I'm not fancy, folks. This just needs to be covered, and I don't want to use up all my quilting energy either. So when I'm done sewing this all on, I'll show you what I've done. One of the things we love about this couch is that it is canvas. And all these things can come off to be washed and cleaned, which we're really grateful for. But the cushion cover that I'm putting this back into has a broken zipper. Again, thank you, dogs. We'll figure it out. It is a bit of a bitch to get the cover back on, though, isn't it, dear? Okay, so what we have is I've just put a cap on it and a heavy basting stitch all the way around. Now this is the broke zipper on this cushion. Thank you, dogs. And I'm going to put this part into the bottom of the cushion. I want to be careful. Papa loves to, you know, Papa's really good at getting these cushions in, but this one's a little more delicate. I just want to make sure it's going to do the job. All right, now that my part's in, Papa can take over because my shoulder's all buggered up.
As gentle with it as I can.
Yeah, I know, sweetheart. Okay, what I forgot, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I took apart the zipper on the inside and I realigned it and zipped it back up, and I've put a little stitch here. And because now the zipper is weak, I'm just going along the zipper as I zip it up and putting some stitches holding the zipper closed. When a zipper gets broken like this, especially a plastic one, the teeth on the zipper and the jaw piece that zips it closed gets weak and it doesn't want to work anymore. So, see what I mean? It's coming apart in places. But I am zipping it up as I go, just so I can have it correctly closed as I stitch it shut. Okay, as you can see, you really can't see the stitches I've done because the zipper pouch folds over. But I zipped it up where it would zip up, and I reinforced the zipper all along the way. Not pretty, but effective. And I can take this apart with a seam ripper to wash the cover. So the cover can come off. It's just a pain in the butt that I'm going to have to do this every time. And even though they just came out of the dryer, folks, they still got dog hair on them. because we have dogs. And my couch no longer looks like a poltergeist was at it. This is the Miss Volfie from our half-acre homestead saying, yes, they're puppies, but you gotta correct their behavior or this can become a real nightmare, especially in our motor coach. Take care, God bless.